Hello everybody. So today we are going to do the cone observation. So we are going to compare between the younger age cone and the old age cone. Just as you already see, the younger age cone, we got the root come out from the ground and shoot down a bit. It look white, and the stem of it is very green, look like very soft, and also very fresh leaf with a the ear, also the hair look very fresh, look both of them very fresh. And also when you get up to the flowers, it's also beautiful. It just like very green, very nice. And yeah, as you already see, like you see the flowers, they just get out the pollen, that the pollen can fly and drop on the hair of the cone, so that's going to produce the seed better. And now we are going to move to the older age cone that we are going to harvest next 2 days. Right, so there you see the hair already turned brown, look a bit dry already, and the protection layer for the cone is a bit brown as well, and they got the seed inside already. And then we are going to look at their flowers. See, they look very different. They doesn't look that fresh. They look brown. Here is the younger one, look green, very green. Yeah. And there, brown. That's different. This is the way you can tell. That's almost on time to harvest. In 2 or 3 days, we are going to harvest this. That's beautiful. But when they turn to this age, their roots, they already just got into the ground. It doesn't have any more root up on off the ground. Yep, see those very brown, all of them are brown, so that's on time to it. Yep, so look over there, we got one cone doesn't grow that well. See, the flower already dropped, it doesn't create any pollen. But the question is, will this cone get this seed? Even they got beautiful hair, but they got no pollens, no flowers for them to breathe. Of course they do have the seed. Even the flower is none, but they will use other pollens from the other plant for their breeding, because other plant will fly their pollen through the wings, then they will stuck on the hair of the cone without any flowers. Yep, take a look on the ground. They don't have any root up above the ground, so that means they are on time to harvest. They're very smart. When they're younger, they got the root up above the ground, but when they get older, they got the roots in the ground. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Hopefully this is one of your favorite. Let's say bye. Bye bye.